Looking for reliable cold storage that won't break the bank? Meet the Refurbished Vestfrost HFG 506 FCF 152-1, a dependable vertical freezer with serious performance. With around 500 litres of storage and a temperature range from -20 to -30 degrees Celsius, it's built to protect your sensitive biological samples and reagents. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel interior that's not only easy to clean, but also resists corrosion, making it ideal for busy lab environments. Its compressor-based cooling system is controlled digitally, giving you precise temperature control you can count on. Safety features include an airtight door seal, plus visual and audible alarms if temperatures rise or the door is left open too long, so your samples stay protected at all times. Adjustable shelves let you make the most of the storage space, and automatic defrost keeps things running efficiently with less hands-on maintenance. It runs on standard 220 volts and has moderate energy use, saving costs without sacrificing performance. Fully reviewed, reconditioned and serviced by Galileo scientific experts, this unit is ready to deliver trusted results, just like new, but for less.